Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add an image watermark to just one page in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add an image watermark just one page. Now going to the second page option. Now for select, then click for mouse right button, then click for intersection, then again going to the first page, select. Now going to the view one option, then click for master page. Now again going to the insert menu option, then click for a picture option. Now find your picture. Now click for insert option. Now resize your picture. Now going to the picture format menu option, then click for picture setting option, then click for picture option. Now select from a picture transparency. Now click for OK, then click for cross master page. Now you can see then I show the all page the picture watermark. Now select from a second page, three page and third page and fourth page. Now click for mouse right button, then click for a master page option. Now click for none option. That's it. Now you can see add an image watermark just on page in Publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.